Hi all, welcome to Gallant IAS. This is Let's Score 120 Plus in Prelims 2021 series. And in this video series, we'll be solving some model questions from different subjects, and through that, we will learn some core subjects and core facts which will help you in your prelims preparation. And the topic which we are going to discuss today is regarding Indian federalism. The question is, consider the following statements. Indian federalism is formed as a result of agreement among various states to form a strong center. 2. In India, states derive its powers through the transfer of power from the center. Which of the following statements is or are correct? So this is regarding Indian federalism. So what is actually mean by federalism or mean by federal government? Federalism is nothing but the dual polity. That is the presence of center as well as state or regional government. I repeat, the presence of central government as well as state government or regional government, and the power demarcation between the center and regional government is clearly demarcated in the constitution itself. I repeat once again, the power demarcation is clearly demarcated in the constitution itself for center as well as state. That is what I mean by federalism. And there is another concept called unitary form of government. Unitary form of government is nothing but there exists a strong central or strong national government. That is unitary government. And even if there is a regional government, this regional government derives powers from this strong center and not from the constitution. That's the basic difference between unitary form of government as well as federal form of government. I repeat once again, in federal government, the power demarcation is clearly mentioned in the constitution itself. And in case of unitary government, there exists a strong central government or a strong national government. And even if there exists a regional government, this regional government derives powers from this strong center. Example for unitary government is UK, and example for federal government is USA, India. Okay, and this federalism can be formed in two ways. One is by the way of integration, and another one is by the way of disintegration. Integration in the sense, a group of small states join together and they form a strong center. Example, USA. Disintegration in the sense, first of all, there exists a strong center. Okay, and then this derives more autonomy to the regional government. That is by the way of disintegration. Fine. And now let's move on to the question. Indian federalism is formed as a result of agreement among various states to form a strong center. That statement is wrong, because Indian federalism is not formed as a result of agreement. But see, USA is formed as a result of agreement among various states, and India is not formed on the basis of an agreement, because India is termed as union of states. Okay, and India is not termed as a federation. India means that India is a union of states. So statement number 1 is wrong. Fine. And what is statement number 2? In India, the states derive its powers through the transfer of power from the center. No, because in India, the state derives its powers directly from the constitution itself and not from the center. See, in case of unitary government, the regional government may derive powers from the center. But since India is a federal government and the states derive its powers directly from the constitution itself and not from the center, so statement 2 is also wrong. Fine. So since both statements are wrong, our answer is D. That is neither 1 nor 2. Right. And if you feel this video series useful, please share it to your fellow aspirants and also subscribe our channel for more quality videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.